thank you so much for being with us here today. And for our viewers, can you please introduce yourself, your company, your designation, and a brief about your experience as an engineer?
My name is Dr. Raji, SA, from University of Ilorin in Nigeria. As an engineer, I've been practicing engineering for the past 25 years. One as a lecturer in the university, and also as a practicing engineer with some private companies. Engineering has been quite interesting, and we graduated quite a number of students in the university, and they are doing well in the industry.
That's good to hear, sir. So how did you come to know about Midas, and what made you choose Midas?
Well, Midas is a general engineering software. It has a family of software consisting of Midas Civil, Midas SolidWorks, Midas Gen, and some other software there. But as in the university, we are interested in using Midas for research purposes, and the Midas FEA has been of tremendous assistance in the university. Midas Engineering donated 6 software to 6 universities in the 6 geopolitical zones that we have in Nigeria through the assistance of Nigerian Society of Engineers, and it's been quite of use to the research as well as training of the students. Midas is quite easy to use, and the students have been quite interested in the use of the software. First, because the software is friendly, it's user friendly. Secondly, the report generation of the software is quite interesting. Take for instance the case where you need to correct some problems in your design. Once you correct those problems, you don't need to go back to analysis again. All you just need to do is just to redesign, and you get your result right away. I think these are some of the features that made us unique in the industry, and I believe that it's going to be very useful in Nigeria, because Nigeria is, let me say, the second biggest economy in Africa, next to South Africa, and is the largest black nation in Africa. So Midas will be very useful for infrastructural development in Nigeria, and I believe in the next 5 to 10 years, Midas will make a very great headway into Nigeria.
Sir, my last question to you is, how do you think Midas programs can help other Nigerian engineers?
Just like I said, that Nigeria is a developing country, yeah, and we are trying to develop our infrastructure. Midas is quite useful for design analysis of various infrastructure, talking about foundation, talking about bridges, talking about multi-story buildings. These are things that will make a nation to be one of the developing nations in the world, and I believe Midas will be very useful in this regard.
So thank you so much, sir, for giving us this interview, for taking the time out for giving us this interview. Thanks a lot.
Well, I want to also thank Midas on behalf of the universities in Nigeria for the donation of the software, which has been quite useful both in training the students who are going to be better engineers in the future, and also for the research by the various research teams. Actually, in the University of Ilorin, we've gone ahead to form what we call the Midas Research Group, which cut across faculties. We have people from Faculty of Medicine, people from biomedical engineering and mechanical engineering and civil engineering, and the team is looking forward to cooperation with Midas in the nearest future.
We too look forward to such cooperations in the near future, and we hope we can collaborate. We can execute such collaborations.
That would be fantastic.
Thank you
very
so
much.
Thank you.